Welcome back, yogis. It's Jewel from Become Yoga School, and today we are working on one-legged challenging poses. I'm live from Sedona, Arizona, and we are going to be moving in the mountains right here in front of Bell Rock. All you need for this practice is some determination and a yoga mat, so let's get started in mountain pose at the front of our mat. Come to stand at the top of your mat in mountain pose, Tadasana. Let your hands dangle beside you and set your gaze or drishti straight in front of you. Bring your hands to heart center. Bow your head, set an intention, and let's flow. Inhale, sweep your arms up, look at your thumbs. Exhale, dive forward over your legs. Inhale, half lift, look forward. Press your palms down. Step your left leg back, low lunge. Step your right leg to plank. Shift forward, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, lift up dog. Exhale, tuck toes, down dog, breathe in. Step your left foot forward, step your right foot forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and release. Reverse swan dive to stand. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach hands high. Exhale, go right ahead, forward fold, diving over the legs. Inhale, half lift, look forward. Exhale, release, step right leg back, low lunge. Left leg plank. Drop the knees, the chest, the chin. Inhale, shift forward, cobra or thighs off the mat for up dog. Tuck toes, downward facing dog. Breathe in. Pull the shoulder blades back. Breathe out. Stay with me here. You got this. Step your right foot forward. Step your left foot forward. Inhale, half lift on the end. Exhale, release. Reverse swan dive to stand. Hands come back to heart center every round of this sun salutation A. Inhale, reach hands high. Exhale, forward fold over your legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, drop the head. Left leg, lunge. Right leg, plank. Shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, lift upward facing dog, thighs off mat. Exhale, tuck toes, downward facing dog. Left leg high, step it forward, low lunge. Right leg meets it, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release the chin to the chest. Reverse swan dive to stand. Hands to heart center, gaze past your fingers. Inhale, thrust the hands to the sky, hips forward. Exhale, dive over the legs, drop your head. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release, right leg lunge, left leg plank. Hold the plank or shift forward, chaturanga. Lift the heart, upward facing dog, back bending, thighs off mat. Tuck toes, downward facing dog, breathe. Right leg high, step it forward, low lunge. Add your left leg 2 feet front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and release. Reverse swan dive to stand. Hands to heart center, gaze forward. Keep it moving. Inhale, sweep hands high, back bend. Exhale, forward bend, head to knees. Inhale, half lift. Press the palms down, step right leg, left leg, shift forward, bend the elbows at 90, chaturanga. Lift the heart, thighs off mat, up dog. Tuck toes, lift your tailbone, downward facing dog. Breathe. Left leg high, step forward, right leg joins it. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold, let the neck go. Reverse swan dive to stand, come all the way up, be present, hands to heart center. Inhale, back bend, lift the eyes, lift the nose, lift the fingers. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, look forward. Exhale, release, right leg lunge, left leg plank. Shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Well done. Right leg high, step it forward, add your left leg. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and release. Reverse swan dive to stand. Hands to heart center. Inhale, reach your arms high. And as you exhale, you're going to lift your right leg in the air. Sweep it back to warrior 3. Bend the right knee, straighten the leg. Come back up to stand, reach the knee to the ceiling. Take it far back behind you, warrior 3. Come back up to stand, straighten the arms high, and sweep it back. Let your arms move in tandem with the leg, warrior 3. Again, knee to the sky, one-legged Tadasana. Then cross that right foot over your left foot. You're going to grab your right hand with your left hand and then side bend this. Find this arc of energy from your right pinky toe up and over to your right pinky finger and breathe. Come back to center, open the hands, look to the sky, and then exhale, forward fold over these crisscrossed legs. Take a deep breath in. Plant your palms, step your left leg to plank, and then add your right leg. Shift forward, chaturanga. Lift to upward facing dog. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Very nice. Breathe. Lift your right leg in the air again. Step it forward. Add your left foot. Inhale, half lift as palate cleanser. Exhale, forward fold. Reverse swan dive to stand. Let's try that on our other side. Hands to the heart center. Sweep the arms up. Lift your left knee in the air, one-legged Tadasana. Shoulders down your back. Start to sweep the arms back as you lengthen your left leg behind you, knee bent or straight. Bend the knee again, come up to stand, one-legged Tadasana. Wobbling might occur here. It's yoga practice. Sweep it back, warrior three, Virabhadrasana 3, 2 hip bones down. Bend the knee, come back up to stand, send your eyes forward to balance, and sweep that leg back, see the ground underneath you. Draw the abs in, knee toward chest, come up to stand. And this is where we cross it. Left foot over right foot. Grab your left wrist with your right hand and then side bend it up and over toward your right side. Hands come wide, look up. Exhale, forward fold over those crisscrossed legs. Inhale, take a half lift. Press your palms down, step your right leg to plank, your back leg. Add your left leg, then you are free to shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, lift upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Well done, well done. Left leg in the air. Step forward, add your right leg, forward fold at the front of your mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, release. We've done one. Sweep the arms up, come up to stand. Take your hands back to that heart center. Remember your intention. Sweep arms up, right leg in the air. You know where we're going. Sweep it back, warrior three. Right foot pushes back, abs lift to the sky. Bend the knee, come back to stand. One-legged Tadasana. Exhale, sweep it back. Virabhadrasana 3, eyes on your mat. Bend the right knee, come back up to stand. Send it back, warrior 3. Come back up to stand in this one-legged Tadasana. Cross right foot over left foot. Grab your right wrist and side bend it to your left, opening through the right side body. Very nice. Trust yourself here. Come back to stand, hands wide, heart open. Exhale, forward fold over crisscrossed legs. Inhale, half lift. Plant your palms. Let your left leg, your back leg step behind you. Add your right foot. You are now free. Shift forward, chaturanga. Inhale, lift up dog. Exhale, down dog. Remember, the more you practice this sequence, the easier all these binds will get. Lift your right leg in the air. Step it forward. Add your left leg, front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, let your head go. Enjoy your surroundings. Sweep your arms up to stand, back into your Tadasana. Hands to heart center, Pranamasana. Sweep the arms up, lift your left knee to the sky, one-legged Tadasana. Think of pushing that left foot back as you sweep into your warrior three. Bend the right knee, think knee going up to your nose. And as you sweep back, think foot pressing behind you past your mat. Do that again. Inhale, lift your nose, your eyes, and then your knee high to the sky. Sweep it back, push your foot, then your knee, then your heart, then your eyes into the earth. Come back to stand, left knee to the sky, 2 hands high. Gorgeous. Cross left foot over right. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Side bend this up and over to your right. Enjoy. Left ribs open, left armpit open, left side of the heart opening. Come back to center. Open the hands, maybe it's a back bend. Exhale, forward fold over those crossed legs. Inhale, half lift, look forward. Plant your palms, right leg to plank, left leg to plank. Shift forward, chaturanga. You could always skip that. Lift to up dog, and then tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Well done. Lift your left leg high. Let's get out of it. Step it forward. Add your right foot. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, release. Don't mind the person running in the background. Sweep your arms up to high. Focus on your yoga practice. It is yours, hands to heart center. Sweep your arms up. This time, sit low into chair. Bring your hands to heart center. Lift your chest. And then twist over to your right. Bring your left elbow onto the right outer knee. And then lift your heart. If you're like me in Sedona, Arizona, look up toward the mountains. If you're at home, see the ceiling or maybe the wall beside you. Bring this back to center. Come to stand. Open the hands. Exhale, sit your hips low, chair pose. Hands to heart center, you're welcome to stay. Or lift the heart, twist to your left, link right elbow over left knee, and then watch my shoulders. Pull them back behind you so that the chest is nice and open, the shoulders have space. Look up at the left shoulder area or toward the ceiling. Breathe. Bring this back to center. Come to stand, hands wide. And exhale, dive forward over your legs. Well done. Inhale, half lift. Press your palms down. Step it back to downward facing dog. You're doing great. Drop to your knees and sit back, child's pose. Beautifully done, beautifully done. These one-legged balances can be quite a doozy, so allow yourself this moment of repose, of rest. Breathe in, breathe out. And now we're going to roll over onto our backside. So find a way to come onto your back, get any desert dust or hair out of your face. Let your left leg go straight to the ground. Draw your right knee into your chest. You're going to move it a little bit in its socket and then take your left hand to the outer knee, cross the leg over your body and drop your two shoulders into the floor. And we want the same little resistance or connection we had in the chair twist. There's a little bit of push in your hand, but not so much that you feel tension. Scoop the abs, bring this leg back to center, straighten it to the sky, and then lower your foot all the way down. Draw your left knee into the chest. Pull it in up toward your nose and let it move in a hip socket, left and right, a little abduction and adduction. When you're ready, cross over your body, land your left shoulder into the earth. You can look up at the sky or toward your left hand and then breathe. I'm feeling that wind across my chest. I'm feeling that ease in my heart. Draw your belly back, knee to center. Straighten this leg up to the sky, flatten the heel, lower the leg all the way down. Wonderfully done. Spread your feet as wide as your mat or more and give yourself a moment here. We're going to take a very long Savasana today to let you relax into this posture. Breathe in. Breathe out. And if the body is still buzzing from all our one-legged balancing postures today, allow yourself this moment to just do nothing. When you're ready, walk your feet in. Reach your hands behind your head. We're going to take a side bend like we've already done. Grab your right wrist with your left hand. Lift your shoulders and move them over to your left side, taking a breath through the right ribs. And now bring that shape back to center. Switch the hands, right hand grabbing left hand. Side bend it up and over to your right. Feel that openness through your shoulders. And then let's finish in a seated pose today, Sukhasana, easy sitting pose. Rock yourself up to sit. Straight legs could be another replacement if the crisscross doesn't work for you here. Breathe in. And as you exhale, take a forward bow. Thank you so much, yogis. You did fantastic today on these one-legged balance poses. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you get notifications when we drop new videos. For similar videos, you can look in the comments below. I always add at least 3 different flows that are similar to this one so you can play with if you'd like to. And until I see you next time, please remember to inhale positive and exhale negative.